In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos in Canva. I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do this and how you can use those videos in your Canva projects. So first, I'm going to create a design. You need to create a new design or access the design you want to upload the video to. So for me, I'm going to create a video project. We're just going to create a new blank video and I'll show you then how you can upload videos to it. So once you're inside of your project, go to uploads on the left here. Now, if you click on it, this window will open. Here you've got images, videos, and audio. If you want to upload a video, click on the videos tab. Then click upload files, and then you can go ahead and find a video. I'm going to upload this video here. I'm not sure exactly what it is, so we'll click it, we'll click open, and we'll see what it is. So it then should start to upload the video. So this is just a tuk-tuk ride in Bangkok. Depending on how long the video is, it might take a while to upload, but you can see the status here as well as here. And then once it's fully uploaded, you'll see the length here. You can then drag that onto your project and resize it if needed. And then you'll also see the timeline down at the bottom, and that's how you do it. So I hope that quick video did help you out.